Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with soy fresh non-dairy soy milk. So this is a soy milk in a strawberry flavor. It is written susu kankan soya blah, blah, blah. So it had added calcium, source of protein and low in saturated fat. The quantity, it's 1 liter. As you can see over here, it's written 1 liter. Apart from that, over here they have mentioned all the nutritional information and ingredients which are used in making this product. Yes, apart from that, it's a Malaysian product. They have clearly mentioned keep it in a cool and dry place. And all the good qualities about this, like it's made of 100% Canadian soya beans, then cholesterol free food and more, no saturated fat, and all these things are mentioned over here. That is very nice. That's it. Let's not waste much time and open it. As you can see, it's very easy to open. You just need to put it back, and there is this silver foil kind of thing, and just need to pluck that out and then close it and shake once shaked. You just need to have 1 glass and pour and that's it. So friends, I'm gonna taste it and let you know what this milk tastes like. Very nice. The proper flavor of strawberry is coming in mouth, and it's very amazing, very nice. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.